Wednesday, 23 February 1944. Dear Kitty, it's lovely weather outside and I have quite bugged up since yesterday. Bugged up means became more cheerful. कि बाहर का बहुत ही प्यारा मौसम है और मैं कल से काफ़ी परेशान हूँ. Nearly every morning I go to the attic to blow the stuffy air out of my lungs. Attic means superstructure, stuffy means overfull. लगभग हर मॉर्निंग में मैं अपने लंग से बाहर भरी हवा को उड़ाने के लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा अटारी जाती हूँ. This morning when I went there, कि आज सुबह मैं वहाँ गई, Peter was busy cleaning up. Peter सफाई करने में busy था. From my favorite spot on the floor, I look up at the blue sky and bare chestnut tree on whose branches little raindrops shine, appearing like silver, and at the seagulls and other birds as they glide on the wind.